Picture this. A young entrepreneur wakes up at 4 a.m. The rent's overdue. Sales? Non-existent. The world feels heavy, and quitting seems like the easiest option. But instead, she opens her laptop, fueled by sheer determination. A year later, she's running a six-figure business, laughing at the days when success felt impossible. Sound familiar? That entrepreneur could be you. Hello, and welcome to Entrepreneurial, where we inspire global success one story at a time. In this episode, we will discuss 10 essential steps you need to take before starting your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're dreaming of launching a startup, opening a store, or building your brand online, these steps will give you the map to navigate the wild, exhilarating adventure of entrepreneurship. All right, my friend, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Can you motivate yourself when no one else will? Here's the thing. Entrepreneurship is lonely. There's no boss checking in on you, no one handing you a to-do list. It's all on you. If you don't show up for your dream, who will? Think about Elon Musk. Love him or hate him, his drive is unreal. Back in Tesla's early days, when the company was collapsing, Musk didn't run. Instead, he poured in his personal savings and worked day and night to keep it afloat. That's the kind of self-motivation you need. Ask yourself, what drives me? What will keep me going at 2 a.m. when no one's watching? Start building that discipline today. Wake up early. Set small goals. Hold yourself accountable, because self-motivation is what separates dreamers from doers. Step 2. Save money. Yes, in gold bars if you can. I know what you're thinking. Gold bars? Really? But hear me out. Cash loses value. Inflation eats away at it. 10 years ago, $1,000 could buy a lot more than it can today. But gold? Gold holds its value, and it's like your financial parachute. Starting a business means lean months, no guaranteed income, no steady paycheck. You need a cushion. If you're in Abuja or anywhere really, check out platforms like arevaworld.com. They make saving and investing in gold easier than ever. It's not just smart, it's survival. Start small. Save 10% of your income. Your future self will thank you. Now, step 3. Do you know how to sell? Here's the deal. If you can't sell, you can't succeed. Period. Whether it's a product, a service, or yourself, selling is at the heart of entrepreneurship. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. Oprah didn't just build a media empire. She mastered the art of storytelling and connection. She sold ideas that resonated with millions of people. So, here's your challenge. Sell something today. Anything. Post an old book on Facebook Marketplace. Offer a small service to a friend. Whatever it is, practice getting out of your comfort zone. Every no you hear is one step closer to a yes. Remember, the ability to sell is like a superpower. Master it, and the sky's the limit. Step 4. Work for an entrepreneur before you become one. Would you jump into a cockpit and try to fly a plane without any lessons? Probably not. So, why do so many people jump into business without learning the ropes first? Work for someone who's already doing what you dream of. Shadow them. Ask questions. Learn what works and what doesn't. You're basically getting paid to attend the best business school ever. And that brings us to step 5. Build relationships that matter. Your network isn't just your safety net, it's your launch pad. Ever heard of Airbnb? Its founders didn't just build a cool platform. They networked like crazy. Mentors, investors, connections, they made it happen. Start small. Attend events. Join online groups. Talk to people. Trust me, the right connection can change your life overnight. We are building our online community on X, formerly known as Twitter. Follow at Entrepreneurial and tag us with the word community to add you to our growing list. Let's keep the momentum going. Step 6. Are you ready to work 70+ hours a week? We will keep this short and simple. Look, my friend, building a business takes hustle, especially in the beginning. Look at Steve Jobs. He worked 70+ hour weeks while building Apple. It's intense, but temporary. Hustle now. Freedom comes later. Step 7. Can you learn faster than everyone else? Knowledge is currency. The faster you learn, adapt, and research, the quicker you'll succeed. Step 8. Start building an audience now. Imagine launching your product to an audience that already trusts you. Fitness entrepreneur Kayla Itzines built a massive Instagram following first and made millions on day one of her app launch. Steps 9 and 10. Know your strengths and put yourself in death ground situations. That means creating environments where failure isn't an option, tight deadlines, limited funds, whatever pushes you to think faster and work harder. All right, friends, let's recap. Motivation, financial safety nets, selling skills, mentorship, networking, hustle, knowledge, audience building, playing to your strengths, and embracing pressure. That's your 10-step map to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Starting a business isn't easy, but nothing worth having ever is. At arevaworld.com, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Check out our resources, explore our courses, and subscribe to the platform. Most importantly, start. Take the first step. Your dream is waiting for you. Thank you for tuning into Arewa World today. If you enjoyed today's episode, hit that subscribe button, leave us a review, and share this with someone ready to chase their dreams. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep building that future you deserve.